guys, I don't know, it's a girl Rosh Wavy, and today we're gonna go to Top Notch Plaza where they're gonna be having a massive car show. And trust me, I feel like it's like a bad interesting, so just watch the entire video to see what's happening. If you're a car lover, I don't know much about cars, but I'm gonna be linking the person's cars, their Instagram handle, and also their name down below if you want to check out their cars. So yeah. Alright, so that's Nathaniel and Ricardo. So what's this event about, what it's called?
Truly, it's Ricardo's birthday party. We just come out and support. We do it with the best, enjoy the sport. And we come alongside the Simmer and Sports Bar where food and liquor and feel and enjoy ourselves. My friend them from Mobile come in, and the Mandeville friend them come in and I support and I give you a
No, from Mandeville, some from Montego.
Okay, alright. So you can probably list 5 cars that were here?
Yeah, you have Chris John, he's the official racer for Jamaica. We have Rum Please riding the 4-wheel bike. We have Tajay from Mobile. We have Lexus Boss from Mandeville. Myself, Nathaniel Francis, driving the car there and Alteza. We have Rajay from Mandeville, Cardan on Instagram, and many more.
Okay, so this beautiful red car that I'm seeing right here, who owns this one?
This one for leather belt.
Okay.
The other red one is for Cardan, of course.
Okay, I love that one.
That is the one.
Alright, I enjoy this event. So you said this is what, a yearly thing?
Yeah, because today is actually my birthday. I did it last year.
Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you again.
And please be here next year.
Of course.
It's a year-to-year thing. So you'll be here next year, just as link up every year.
Alright. I love the event. COVID protocols followed. I love everything.
Yeah.
Good job.
Alright, thank you.
Hottest thing, gutter bread. You know, ask Christ. Hottest, gutter bread. When I shoot on with 2-1,
because the police are here, you know it's a curfew, you know it's a corona, everything at one.
No, at 6:30.
Well, at 6
at 6:10 now, so.
Well, so you know, police come show like a people enjoy themselves.
Can I get your handle, your Instagram handle if you have one?
CJ_SOSICK.
Alright.
I'm the driver of the bomber, the AE86. It's a 20 wall stock. I mean, it's just talent, raw talent. I'm just here in Mandeville today enjoying myself. My friends have a little birthday party get together.
So that means you're from Montego Bay?
Yeah, I'm from Mobile.
Okay.
Yeah, so we record up the car and just give them some fun.
So does it have turbo?
No, it's all motor natural.
Really?
Yeah. It's just raw talent.
Wow, okay, alright.
Yeah, so
I love it. So you worked on this yourself?
I do mechanics, but not really. The car was built by PG Custom, and along the way, you know, a lot of people touch in and there.
Okay.
Get it right.
Alright, so tell me one thing you'd go ahead and advise persons who want to come into this business or whatever. What advice you'd give them?
The advice in drifting is rear-wheel drive, and I mean, you can always call me, I'm the king.
Alright,
Yeah.
don't miss out the part, but it's expensive.
No, it is expensive, right? Parts. I broke the diff Friday, and I had to work all night last night to get here.
Wow. Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Guys, here we have the RAV4 Ultimate, and we have K Will on the road. Oh my God! This is my favorite car. Oh my gosh! How long have you been a driver? Wow, you raised it over? Oh my gosh! I'm loving it.
We race on the Rosh Highway, okay? Top speed on it, you know? People, look here. The car show is nice. The car show sell off. The car show sell off. Yeah, it was hot breath. Listen, let me tell you. You have a red car, like in on a bonnet, but I tell you, say that was the car. You have
What?
everybody there. You have what do you call it? Altis that thing? No man, Altis. One next car I'm going here right now. But a Toyota Crossbreed Lexus, one red one. That car they had to. But me I tell you, say, see red car on the bonnet. That car they did hot. And you a driver on brown youth. Oh, by the way, listen. You see that video sell off. And you see the conceptualizer, Rosh Wavy, she sell off too.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
But listen, the show did nice. The show sell off. I mean, I tell you the honest truth. The honest truth. Me feel like say the government need to look on things like these and use it in a way to create revenue and support these type of persons when they're having these things. Because if you look on the concept of this thing, you know, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, still, I'm out.
I'll become the game that look then. Anyways, this is the end of the video. You don't know, like, share, subscribe if you did enjoy this one. Keep looking for more hot content, and the car show was really nice. I'm not gonna even lie, the police came earlier than expected. The car show was supposed to finish at 6:30. The police came at 6:10. They had 20 minutes left, but you know the police stayed there till 6:30 and then tell the people them so they forgot them here. So that's what happened. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.